Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you a look using the new Alien palette from the Jeffree Star Holiday Collection, as well as showing you swatches of the 8 new velour liquid lipsticks. So if you want to see how I got this look and all the swatches, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so let's just jump right in. I did open these. I opened the palette when I got it in the mail yesterday because I just want to make sure that it wasn't broken after what happened to me when I was trying to film my Desi and Katie Dose of Colors collection and the palette was broken. Now I always am double checking to make sure that, you know, the palette's not broken before I do a video. So here is the Alien palette from Jeffree Star. I am so excited because as soon as I saw the packaging, I didn't even care what the inside looked like. I just wanted it because I love aliens. I just love the way they look. I think they look, I don't know, there's something about it. I love it. So when I saw the packaging, I was like, yes. Alright, so here is what the outside looks like. It is, I mean, it's pretty decent size, like the size of my head. So this is not going to be like your everyday travel palette, but I mean, look at the packaging. He does something so different than other brands. And, you know, some people may think that because it's not the best to travel with, that could be maybe a little annoying, but I think that, you know, at least for me, I'm home most of the time, so I don't necessarily need to bring this to travel, and I have other palettes I can travel with. But yeah, so the eyes are like a 3D plastic, and it's like a faux leather feel. It feels almost like the Blood Sugar palette if you have that one. And then I guess what you do is you slide it, and then you open it. So this is what it looks like. There's something that stresses me out about like flipping a palette all the way back. Even though I know I've seen people do it, I'm not going to force it. So here is all of the colors. I know that the packaging is a little reflective. Very different and unique color story. I'm super excited about this. I know it's going to be a little boring, but I'm going to try to stick with a more neutral tone look because I'm actually filming this on Thanksgiving morning. So I need to have makeup that is a little more wearable, but I do want to do a look using these greens and this probe shade. I think it is so pretty. So I'm going to just stick with a neutral look today, which, you know, some of you might be interested in that because when I look at this, it's like, you know, a lot of the colors are pretty intense, so I'm going to try my best to stay neutral. And then I did end up picking up the bundle of the 8 velour liquid lipsticks. Now, these are not all shades that I would wear, you know, every day, but I think some of them might be good to try for like winged liner. And, you know, just for videos and stuff, it'd be fun to have these. And some of the shade names I just couldn't resist, like You're Still on the Property, because this is from, you know, the video he did with Shane Dawson, and I think, you know, I just wanted it because of that. But it is a pretty blue shade, so I do want to try and lip swatch all of these for you. I hope my lips can take it. And the packaging is stunning. Now, I know some people were complaining that the fact that the glitter goes all the way on the packaging, it's kind of hard to tell what the shade is, and I do agree with that. However, I just love it. I mean, look at the sparkles. How can you resist sparkles? I think it's so pretty. So this one is You're Still on the Property. Then we have Can't Relate, which is a very nude shade. Then we have Jeffree Who, which appears is going to be a nice red shade. I did watch his video, but I don't remember exactly what the shades look like on. Then we have Scandal. The glitter on the packaging does make it hard to see what the actual shade is. I can understand where people were coming from. Next we have Karma. Now we have Clout, which I was watching a video and a girl put this on and it was so pretty. It's like a metallic shade, so obviously not something I'm going to wear to my office job, but it looked so pretty and very alien-esque. And next we have Hi, How Are Ya? Which is another like red shade. And last we have Triggered. Alright, so that is it for the lip colors. I did not pick up any of the lip ammo, even though I really wanted the shade Alien Tears. It's funny, the main reason I didn't pick it up was because on the day of launch, it said that it wouldn't ship until the 16th and that your order would all ship at once. So I really wanted to get this sooner, but what's funny is my order ended up shipping after the 16th, so I could have gotten it and I would have gotten this all at the same time. It's not a big deal. I might pick it up, I'm not sure. I do want to try some of his lip liners, and I know he's doing the Black Friday sale tomorrow. I'm filming this on Thanksgiving, like I said, so I might try to pick it up then if it's still available. I just wanted the one Alien Tears because I realized I don't need several glitter toppers. You know, it's just not practical. I'm trying to be more cautious about the things I buy, but anyway, let's jump into the tutorial, and I'm going to be obviously using the Alien palette. So the first shade I want to go in, which by the way I have my base done and my eyes, all I did was just move up my concealer and foundation on my lid like I do a lot of the time when I'm trying to save time, and I set it down with a powder from my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. So, you know, all set, but I think what I'm going to do is take a little bit of this Titan shade and just put it all over the lid area. And let me move you guys in so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, Titan. Alright, so there is a little bit of kick up in the pan. I'm going to try to show you guys. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. If you see it right there, there is a little bit of kick up. Personally, that doesn't really bother me. You know, I'm not very heavy on my palettes anyway, so it really doesn't bother me that much. But for those of you that do care about that, just make note of that. Now I think I'm going to take the shade Gravity and put this through the crease. I'm taking my Sigma E40 blending brush. Also guys, I just want you to note that I'm still dealing with some dry patches on this eye. Looks like it's, when I was looking this morning, it's like 2 spots. It seems to be coming and going. I don't know why. So if you notice anything with the shadows, it's probably that for this eye, whereas this eye is perfectly fine. Alright, so this is how the color is building. I think it's very nice, but again, there definitely is kick up with this shade as well. Again, I don't know how well it's going to pick up on camera, but I feel like this palette is definitely having a little bit more kick up than I remember my Blood Sugar to have, and I just used that like the other day, and I just feel like this one has more kick up. But again, doesn't really bother me, just a side note for you guys. Now I want to take, I'm going to take my MAC 224 blending brush, and I'm going to take the shade Phone Home, and I'm going to focus this into the crease and outer corner. Alright, and I think for my main lid shade, I'm going to use the shade Interstellar, just because it's kind of a, you know, neutral silvery shade. I guess it's silvery. I don't know. I'm just going to take my finger and see how that looks. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but like right here where the dry patch is, the shadow is not sitting exactly right. So again, just keep that in mind. Now I do want to take a flat shader brush and just pack some color on and blend it up into the crease. Going back in with that shade Phone Home just to blend everything together. Don't worry about the edges. I'm definitely going to clean that up with the technique I've been using. But for now, I really do kind of like this look as it is, just because it is pretty simple. You know, 3 shades. I know that's not super exciting for those of you watching, but it is what it is. I do want to take a flat definer brush, and I am going to take the shade Black Hole and stamp that really closely into my lash line just to give my lashes a fuller look. I think the black in the lash line definitely helps take the look to a new level. Now what I want to do is just take a pencil brush like I normally do and go ahead and repeat what we did in the crease on the lower lash line. So first with Gravity, and I'm just going to smoke the lower lash line out. And now taking Phone Home, doing the same thing. And I think what I want to do just to intensify the lower lash line a bit as well is take a flat definer brush again and put some black literally at the lash line like I did on the top. I can already tell this black is super pigmented. Like, it's gonna be very pigmented when you use it actually like on the lid or something in an eye look. This eye just got a little messed up, but that's okay. I'm going to take my pencil brush again and then just buff everything out with the shade Gravity. Okay, I know that this eye is looking a little nuts, but I'm gonna, once we put the lash mascara on, that usually subsides. It'll look a little better. What I'm gonna do is take my translucent powder, put some in the cap, and I'm taking this brush from the Jaclyn Hill brush collection. It is the JH10. And I'm just going to dip this into the translucent powder and we're going to clean up the edges. And then I need to fix the left eye really quick and just take a little bit more of Phone Home. Okay, so that looks a little more even. Now I'm going to take this tiny little brow bone brush. I'm going to take the shade Pluto, which is really the best brow bone highlight shade in the palette. And I'll also dabble that into the inner corner. Now let's add mascara and eyeliner, and the eye look will be complete. Using my Marc Jacobs eyeliner. It's the one I'm trying to pan. One thing I will say that I don't like about this liner, and it's funny because I thought that it was just happening to me, that I was the only one, but Mel Thompson had mentioned in her video too, for some reason these Marc Jacobs liners, like if you accidentally touch your contact lens with it, it's on there and then it like doesn't really want to come off, so there's that. Now I'm going to add my mascara and then we're going to do the lip swatches using my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. So this is the completed eye look. I think it turned out really nice for a neutral look with this palette. I only used like, what, 3 or 4 shades just to complete this, and I think it is super pretty and appropriate for today, Thanksgiving. So now I want to do the lip swatches for you. But I need to decide which one I might want to wear for the day, so I can do that one last. Okay guys, so that completes this look and the lip swatches. My lips may look crazy because swatching 8 different lipsticks and taking them all off is torture to the lips. So this is what Can't Relate looks like on the lips. It's basically just like my lip color, but a little more enhanced. So I'm probably going to top it off with Marc Jacobs Sugar Gloss. I really like the color of this one. It's also pretty nude. But I might just dab some of that on. Honestly, I don't know about that, but I'm just gonna leave it for now for the sake of the video. So that is everything in this collection. I will try to insert a picture of swatches of the Alien palette so you guys can see all the shades, since I know I only used like 4. I will be doing more looks with this palette. I really want to do something with those green shades, but for now I just wanted to do a very neutral look, and it just proves that you can get a pretty nice everyday look out of this palette. All of the lip colors are really pretty. I know there's a couple that I probably wouldn't actually like wear unless it was for like festival or something, you know, like that, but they might be fun for like liners. I really want to try to do more with like winged liner. I'm really not good at it, but you know, I'm trying to step out of my box. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed a first look at the collection that I picked up from Jeffree Star. Alright guys, so that completes today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed an overview of the Jeffree Star holiday collection. I will definitely be doing more videos with this palette and the lip shades. So if you guys enjoyed, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.